Working out is the least effective way to lose weight or fat. This is what I tell my clients, and it's what I'm going to tell you. Use diet to create a negative energy balance. This is going to help you lose weight. Use exercises and working out to build muscle. This way, you will not only lose weight, you are going to lose fat and maintain muscle. And this is very simple. First of all, we need to estimate your maintenance calories. Take your weight in kg and multiply it by any number between 30 to 33, depending on how active you are. If you are very active, use 33. If you are not active at all, use 30 or any number in between. It could be 31 or 32. When you multiply your weight in kg times, for example, 32, it will give you a number. That number is your estimated maintenance calories. That means if you consume those amount of calories every day, you're going to maintain your current body the way it is. You're not going to gain or lose weight. The next step is we need to calculate a deficit so that we put your body in a negative energy balance. This negative energy balance is going to force your body to tap into stored energy, and your body stores energy as glycogen, fat or muscle. Your body will be forced to go to these stores and use them for energy, and this is the reason why you're going to lose weight. But remember, we do not just want to lose weight, we want to lose fat and maintain muscle, and that is where working out comes in. Do not work out to lose weight, work out to grow muscle. Things like cardio, things like Zumba, burpees, jumping, they are good, but they are not very effective. Focus on growing muscle with heavy weights. That means squats, deadlifts, shoulder presses, bench presses, pull-ups, chin-ups. Those ones. Those are the workouts that are going to make sure the body does not use muscle for fuel. Doing this is going to force your body to use fat for fuel to compensate for that caloric deficit that we created. And the body is going to maintain the muscles because they are being used at the gym. If you do not use those muscles at the gym, then the body will have no reason to keep them or grow them.